Hello students, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Raffle BBA College, Vapi. Subject Entrepreneurship Development with respect to 5th semester. In previous video, we have already go through the syllabus of entrepreneurship development. In this video, we will begin with unit number 1, that is conceptual framework. In this video, we will learn about meaning of entrepreneur, who is an entrepreneur and its definition. To begin with, you have heard about people like Dhirubhai Ambani, you have heard about Azim Premji and even Narayan Murthy. And if we go behind boundary, then you have heard about people like Steve Jobs also. Right, students? So, these all are people who are an entrepreneur and they at some point of time decided to leave the job, or maybe after studying decided that rather than working for someone else, they will work for themselves, and hence they started a business which is totally based on idea, and how idea can be generated, that we will learn further in this unit. For time being, remember, entrepreneur is a person who start a business. In a simple way, a person who does something on its own. Now, how this word come into exist? The word entrepreneur is derived from the French verb entrepreneur, and its literal meaning is to undertake. Basically, he is a person responsible for setting up a business. He's a person responsible for setting up a business. In fact, he is the one who has a skill for innovation. So, entrepreneur is a man who brings the overall change through innovation for maximum social good, that is overall society. The key elements of an entrepreneur is innovation, risk taking and organization skill. Innovation in the sense of generating a new idea, risk taking in the sense of ability to take a risk. Organizing skill is an ability to organize the resources for his entrepreneurship. Now, in a simple way, who is an entrepreneur? The one who develop and own his own enterprise, is a moderate risk taker and work under uncertainty as the future is uncertain for achieving the goal. Is a person who is innovative. He is a person who generate employment and create to have more employment and contribute to GDP of economy. So that is nothing but an entrepreneur. So in simple way, a person who has a key element of risk taker, innovative skill and organization skill is considered to be an entrepreneur. Let us understand the concept more in detail with the help of simple diagram. What happened that there is a person who is entrepreneur which come up with an innovative idea to set up a entrepreneurship where some process or actions is happen and its outcome is nothing but is enterprise which produce goods and service at large, which create employment and contribute to GDP. So in simple way, a person who is an entrepreneur who do some process or action, that is nothing but entrepreneurship, where whose outcome is nothing but an enterprise. So that is all about your entrepreneurship and enterprise. Now, in a simple way or in simple language, a person who develop his own business due to its skill, innovative, well created, is considered to be an entrepreneur. Now, let us understand its definition by various authors. According to Cantillon, an entrepreneur is a dealer who purchases the means of production and combine into marketable securities or products, sell at certain price in the market. Now let us understand this definition more in detail. A person that is an entrepreneur who is considered to be a dealer because he used to purchase the means of production, that is your land, labor, capital, manpower, combine into marketable securities or either in a product. Now that means of production being converted into product are sell at certain price in the market. That is the definition has for the Cantillon. According to Webster, an entrepreneur is a one who assumes the risks and manage the business. We know that the key element of entrepreneur is to have a risk taker ability,
So he assume all the risks of the future and manage the business in that uncertainty of future that is considered to be a risk for his enterprise. According to Peter Drucker, an entrepreneur is a one who always search for changes and respond it. A person who have a continuous ability to do something new, who has continuous ability to do some new changes in his method of production, in his entrepreneurship, and that change are being responded by themselves or by himself is considered to be an entrepreneur according to Peter Drucker. That is your definition of an entrepreneur as per Cantillon, as per the Webster, and as per the Peter Drucker. In a simple language, I can say a person who has an ability to take a risk, a person who has an innovative idea, and a person who organizes the resources is considered to be an entrepreneur. The elements that is innovative, risk taker, and organization skill is considered to be a person to be called as an entrepreneur. So person who set up his business by his own, who due to his skills, due to his innovative, due to his wealth creator is considered to be an entrepreneur. Hope you understand the meaning and definition of entrepreneur. In next video, we will learn about its qualities of an entrepreneur and its function being performed by entrepreneur. Thank you, students.